Hello everybody, welcome to another stream. How you doing? How's everyone? Oh, I didn't get my... okay. Checking my Twitch. Hope everything is alright with you guys. That you can hear me. Well, welcome the fish sausage. Okay, nice nickname. So once again, welcome. I'll be streaming a new puzzle today. I'll be developing a new puzzle today. Let me show you guys what I've been doing. I've been finishing up the puzzle that I started last Friday, yeah. Not this one, of course. This one up here. Let me just change this. Okay, so I can see what's happening with you guys. Okay, cool. So yeah, the puzzle is quite simple. So started this part, so you can see that something happens there when the players move the totem. They can't get out, so they have to solve the puzzle. And if you get the right button, you get more buttons on the other side, but if you get a wrong button, you get a slime. So, and this goes on and on until I can't remember my buttons. Oh, nice life. Goes on and on until you finish the puzzle. This is the wrong one. This is just a simple puzzle. Then when you finish, you get a box, you get a small key, and you can go away because the totems disappear. That will be different on the demo. I'll be changing this stuff. Probably the totems will move aside or something. I don't really know yet what I'm gonna do with it, how I'm gonna do with it, how am I gonna do it, sorry, but I'll do something different probably. Today I'll be doing another puzzle because this one is already done, and there'll be a pair. They'll give something to the player. So the players can unlock something. So now I'll be doing a puzzle over here after the boss. The puzzle will be there. I'm just gonna move the players there. Oh, what did I do? Where are my players? Are they behind this? No. Oh, there they are. Okay, cool. The wall in place. Now I have to move this wall so I can move the player. Okay. So the puzzle will be here in this room. Let me put this into place. No, this, yes. so the walls are in. I didn't say, but if you have any question about the game or anything, don't be shy. Feel free to ask. I'm more than happy to talk about the game and explain anything that you don't know. I see some regulars on the stream, on the chat, I think. Yeah, Fee Silva, you're there? Yeah, cool. Thanks for showing. So the puzzle will be in this room. There's already a box in there. I already have the cheat sheet with all the positions, so it'll be mostly coding for now. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so moving on. Okay. So let's put stuff in there. Let's load stuff. So this is done. This is something that I changed on the way that the chests load the prizes or the stuff that it goes gives to the players. So let me just number the rooms. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the room 6 and 5. Yeah. Oh, I think I changed my keyboard. 6. So I'll have to load a bunch of totems and a bunch of buttons. These apparently this dungeon will be totems, buttons, and slimes. I think it's good for a demo. It will be good. Okay. So if you haven't already pressed that follow button, I would advise you to do that, so because it helps a lot to grow, and it helps a lot to go up on the rankings. So let's begin with this. So I need dungeon floor buttons. I'll probably be using this. Yeah. Oh, I should do a script for this. At least to load to do this part. Should be easier to make buttons and not exactly. I think I'm gonna do that right now. Like a function. Script. Create. The music stopped or what? Yeah. Something happened. Is this playing now? Yeah. Okay, cool. So script create button or floor button, probably dungeon floor button. didn't change that. Thank you for the follow, the fish sausage. That helps a lot. So okay, create the button. What I need is the positions X and Y. This should be, yeah, so X, Y, the index, the room index, and the position, and the variable, right? I can add, can just, yeah. What do I need? What else do I need there? So the index, I need to add this too. It would be cool if I had it already. Let's, yeah. It's not a global, but I can. I can pass everything there. Send. Okay, dungeon. Dungeon var. Okay, let's get var xx equals to argument 0. Let's copy paste, should be easier. So y room index position dungeon y 1 room index position and dungeon b4. So what I'm gonna do is this. So floor button will be the instance with X and Y. Button, the index will be the room index. Here will be the room index too. This will be the var engine. The position will be equal to that. I can even return if I want to do something with it. The var, yeah, that, yeah. Can even return it if I want to do something with it. So let's try and see if this works. So this first one will be the button, yeah, will be 816 112 position. What else do I need? The index will be, the room index will be 6, the position will be 0, and the var should be this with the object dungeon. Well, the var is here, so if I put inside, I think this should work. I don't know. Let's try and see if it works. The music stopped again. What the hell is happening? Is it my internet or what? should be on cable. I don't know if my Wi-Fi is working. So yeah, the button is there. That's cool. You can press it and it works. Okay, cool. So let's do the same but for totems. That we need more variables on the totems. So new script dungeon totem. Well, almost the same. X, Y, anymore, Roman X. I'll need the position, the dungeon R, what else? If it's movable or not, right? Yeah, probably that should be it. Oh yeah, the button can and will have a puzzle. So we'll be putting on here to make it easier. Puzzle. Our puzzle equals argument 5, and button. Well, I need to know if the puzzle it's on press or both or whatever. I need a puzzle type here. I'll do a macro for that. So puzzle be puzzle regular. So puzzle regular will be the puzzle that works on press and on release. Then we'll have the puzzle on press, number 2, and the puzzle on release. Be 3. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, so our puzzle. Our puzzle type equals to argument 6. So if let's just do type, it's easier to type. Type equals to puzzle is equal to puzzle regular. It will be puzzle equals puzzle. It's easier to do a switch. Type. So case puzzle regular. We get this. Break. Case puzzle press. Do it's puzzle press too. Puzzle press equals to puzzle break case last one, so it's puzzle release Do puzzle. Release. What's wrong in that case? Oh yeah. We put this. We finish this. Break. And this. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. So yeah, if the puzzle is that type or whatever. Hello, what91? Welcome back. Okay, cool. The puzzles, the buttons are done. Just those cases. I need a default. Just in case of not sending any puzzle, because music is too loud again. Okay. Is it better now? I don't know, probably because you have sensitive ears or something, so I don't mind that. It's always good to have your feedback. That's why I ask you guys if everything is okay with you guys, because I'm okay with the music. So if it's still too loud, tell me and I'll put it even lower. Still loud? Okay, I'll put it even lower. Is it good now? Welcome, Diligent Dodo. Is it good now or what? Maybe a bit better. Okay, I'll put it even lower. So music, it's 10% of the whole sound. So I hope it's good now. Okay, so it's good. Okay, yeah, it's not the music from the level X. And I can put it that. Yeah, I can put that. That's true. Probably not on loop, but I can put a bit just for you guys. Now it's playing. Put a bit higher, louder. Okay. That's our first music of the game. Will be used on the first level outside. It's not my music, it's our music. It was a sound designer that did this. Awesome guy did this awesome music. I don't do music. Yeah, that's what we wanted. That what we wanted to be epic. Okay, so now it's. Share the link with you guys so you guys can Good, that's good. That's what I like. I like to read that you guys like it. We love it too. It's really happy. There is the demo video with the music. Now let's continue with the other music and lower. Okay. So, continuing with the yeah, it's great music. It's like one of those musics. Yeah, he done a great job. So, continuing with this. So if there's no puzzle, I'll check if instance, come on, exists, argument 5. Okay, so I want to be able to create this without sending a puzzle, because there are some buttons that don't need puzzles, like this one. Let's see if this works. At least for now it doesn't need a puzzle, but it will need later. I didn't make or FTIPT. Okay, welcome. First of all, and I didn't make the music. It was our sound designer, is called Ricardo. So I'll check where is his link so I can send you. Then he has it on SoundCloud, so I can share with you guys too. Yeah, it's here. And you can check all the other stuff that he's done. You're welcome. Okay, so this doesn't work if... Oh yeah, I can... This is a... What? Okay, I'll see. Okay. This is new. I need GameMaker array length. Exactly, that's what I need. Need this array length 1D. Yeah, this. So if argument it's greater than 5, that'll do that, and it'll do this exactly. So yeah, I can put everything inside it because it won't switch anything if there's not, the variable doesn't exist, so it will get a bug or an error. Okay, cool. So gets this, I can change this into here so it's easier. Let's check. Okay. It doesn't work, really? Thought it would. Okay. Let me search GameMaker. Check argument exists. Is undefined. Okay. I can use these undefined. Okay. So if it's not undefined, it will do this. Okay, cool. Let's try out. Nope. There's another way, that is the argument like this. It's a variable, so I always like to use one. This can be equal to no one. And also this equals to no one. Come on, it should work. Create event, 6 arguments, 5 provided. Really? I can change this, and if I need, send more, right? I'm gonna do this because I wanna. Okay, let's do. Let's send no one and no one. Gosh, I hate when this happens. I have to search for something because it's shitty if GameMaker does this. It makes me send arguments nil, so different from no one. Okay, so I have to change send no one and no one. It's the same as a nil in other languages, so this should work. Okay, cool. Button works. Okay, awesome. The puzzle I'll send in later. Now I need to. Now I wanted to do the same for exactly the totems. The totems won't have any puzzles, so it will be easier. They have index, they have the movable. So X, Y, movable, room index, position. Okay, cool. So var x, I can just copy paste this. Most of them are the same, so I'll change this into here. This will be position. This will be movable, and this will be the dungeon variable. Okay, cool. So now I need to at least copy this. I'll copy all of this. I can delete this, all of this. Okay, so totem every XX, YY, object totem. Okay, there's movable. It's a room index. This is the room index and the position. I'll change this to so you get same object, and I can even return it just in case. Totem. Okay, cool. Let's test it out and see if this works. Let me check my bar. So script create script create dungeon totem. Cool. Says it here. So 848 by 128. It will be movable. Well, probably the movable should be the third. Should be after the position and before the dungeon. The last one, yeah, it should be the last one. So they all follow the same rules. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna change this from here to the end. Okay, so room 6, position 0. I don't have a variable for that. Right? No, removable objects. Okay, let's put it there. Now I got a message, right? Okay, cool. Can send the removable objects here, and it's movable. So true. Okay. What's wrong? Oh, nothing here. Okay. No. Removable objects. It won't be removable, but at least it won't be removed. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, now it's not set before. No. Movable is not set. What is it? Dungeon stats. Oh. So just true. Okay, cool. That was the error. Okay, the totem is here and it moves and it's exactly what I wanted. Okay, cool. So this is done. Those two are working. Now I just need to load a bunch of stuff and then start trying it out. So first load the totems. Load totems. I don't know if it's gonna work because I've just made it in paper and it looks nice, but the totems are bigger than what I imagined, so I don't know how it's gonna look like. So we're like 4, 8. Let's try the first 8. So 4 and 4 more. Okay, cool. 864 by 144, 848 by 160, 832, 144. Okay, these 4 are done. Now 800, 144. 16, 28 is okay. It's 12 here. 32, 48, 96. Okay, let's see how it looks. It looks weird. Can I move which one of them? No. I can move this one. I can move this one. No. I can't move this one. What's the matter? Isn't he movable? Yeah. And you can't see what it's in the middle. Oh, and they can as an error. So I'll have to check that, and also that one. I love when I do this testing. Okay, this is... oh, because it's above a button already. That's the problem. Okay, let's move it out. Let me load everything, see how it looks like, see if it looks weird. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This is just for me to know what I'm doing when I'm looking into my cheat sheet. 22, 80, 28, okay, 96, 44, next, 80, 160, 64, 76, 48, 92, the last two, 32, 76, 1, 6, and 160. Okay, let's see if it looks weird or looks awesome. One of those aren't, it's not right. Which one is it? Looks nice. And but you can't see the buttons, that will be the problem. Probably have to find out what's happening. Maybe that's cool, that you don't know what's happening and you just find out when you start moving the totems like this. Okay, moved. Okay, they can move right above each other. Okay, cool. So one of those isn't on the right position. Let me comment and see which one is it. Not this two. Let me check here. So the one that's missing, or the one that's misplaced, is that one on top, right? Yeah, that one should be one above. So if the thing is here, I'm looking at my cheat sheet too, so one should be here and the other should be here. So 864, 112, 864, 864, not this one. 864, not this one. Be this one. Where's 86, 864? There's 3 in this row. So 1 here, 1 here, 44. 864, 44. There, okay, and 1 here. That's 176. This one isn't right. Okay, now I found it. 168, 64, 12. Let's see. Okay, they look nice, and you can't see what's in the middle, and you can't understand anything. I think that's fine puzzle. You have to be very careful in what you do. Okay. The thing is, you move this one, and then you have to be very, very careful. Otherwise it won't work. Okay, cool. These are the positions. Okay. Now I'm not gonna leave. No, oh, sorry. Load the buttons. So. Load buttons. Let me just make a GIF out of this. That'll be cool to tweet. This is it. Okay, cool. Let me tweet this. Okay. That. Load the puzzle. Load the. Almost done. Looks nice. Looks like, what the hell is this? Let me share with you guys. Okay, now let's load the buttons so it looks even, gonna look even weirder. So, okay, buttons will be 3, then 2, and 2, 3, 2, 2, 4 groups of 2. Okay, cool. Done. Now 112 through. This is 48. This is 80. Now here 32, 64. This is 28, 28. 144, 64, now 80 here, so yeah, 3, 2, 32, 64, okay, 1680, now 32, 60, and 64, 60. The last, oh, this is 3, last 3, not 2. 106, so 176, 176, the same, so this row, 48 and 18. Okay, cool, let's look at it. Okay, so now we have buttons there and you don't know what to do. So I have to move this one up, this one. What? This is already... Why isn't moving? Is it colliding already with the button? What's wrong with you? Okay, I'll need to load. Fruit Cox, is that it? Fruit Cox? You watched the demo and looks nice? No, thank you. That's really cool. We love doing it also, so it's not, no, it's, so it's what? It's Fruitco and XD, is that it? The XD is like the smile? Fruitco XD, exactly, yeah. Thanks, Bullseye Pie. That could lead to some misreading. Okay, this one is moving. And this is moving, and those aren't moving, and the middle ones aren't moving. Let me change something on the totem. So on the sprite, let's change the opacity so I can see through it. So edit, image, opacity. Like, yeah, I don't know, 60. That'll be cool. Welcome, Bullseye Pie. It's good to see you, man. First time here, right? So let's see if the buttons are on place. Okay. Oh, they are. Hello, Chiffon Plays. Welcome to the stream. Just lurking most of the time. That's cool, man. No problem. You guys are the best. Well, now that I see there's so many people that I didn't talk already. If you have any question about the game, feel free to ask. Don't be shy. Thanks for the follow, Fruitco XD. I'll get used to it. I'll get used to your nickname. Don't worry. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. So the button is there, it's okay. Why isn't those totems moving? These ones are moving also. I can't move in this one in. No, another follow. RTPT. Thank you for the follow. If I'll do 4 players, no, I won't do 4 players. It's a co-op game for 2 players. It's supposed to be playing with a friend or online. We're considering the online campaign. Big boss. We already have a big boss. It's down here. If you can see it, you can't see it. The boss is there. There's already a big boss. Yeah, it's a 2-player game. Hopefully I'll do 2 players. For now local, but we'll considering adding online too, because a lot of people asking that. So for now we'll be local, because I'm the only one developing the game, at least programming the game. My girlfriend is doing the art, and we have one person doing the music already, so it's getting together. So this move, the other doesn't move. Okay, probably that's because it's probably because of the buttons. Because the button checks. Yeah, so if I check the top left, let me draw something here. Where's my pen? Now where's my pen? That's cool. What programming language do I know? Oh gosh, I know so many. I know some of C, C++, C Sharp, PHP, HTML. I don't know if that's not a language. JavaScript. Now GameMaker language too. Node.js. I don't know. A lot of languages. So Swift, Objective-C. Those are the ones that I work the most on my day job. So yeah. Oh no, I lost count of it. jQuery, it's not a language. It's JavaScript. Come on, man. I also know like some backend, like MySQL and SQL, so some database languages too. Okay, so probably the you know it's not. Probably the problem is here, cause no, never did anything in Python, nor Python or Java. Server side only PHP and Node.js. Yeah, I think. Yeah. How can I draw? I don't know. I didn't work with GameMaker 8. I started right away on GameMaker Studio, so I don't know the difference, and I'm learning my way through while I'm learning. So while I'm developing this game, so I don't know. It looks fine for now. Okay, cool. That's cool. You should continue, man. You should. Don't quit your games. Start small and keep going. So probably this is it. The offset here is 10, so what I'm doing, 90-degree graphics. What's 90-degree graphics? So the totem is here if... Let me check this. Otherwise I won't do anything. So the height is 32. Oh, but I'm doing, yeah, so everything is blocky. Oh, okay. You quit it because it was too big of a project or something else? So the Y is 20 here. The sprite height is too big. Wow, that's my problem. It's 32. 20 plus 32 will be like here. Well, okay, I can understand that, but I can tell you this: I work 8 hours a day, and I still get home and help my girlfriend to make dinner and do my chores at home, and then I still like work an hour and make streams. So it's a matter, and also watch TV and movies and series. Like we keep track of 16, I think 16 different series, TV series, so there's always time to code something, at least for me. Just saying, like, if you want, if I can do it, you can do it too. Or not. or you don't have time. So I'm not judging you, I'm just saying. Man, you should do college. Education is needed, so it's good. Okay, cool. Okay, I'll probably have to... Okay, let's do not the offset, let's do for... Yeah, if this game is, we're thinking about finishing it like in 2 or 3 years from now, so it's really big. We're just making it like every step, small step, like a bit every day. So exactly, yeah. We started small too. We started with a small iOS game, so instead of the sprite height, I'll do a height var height equals to 0, and here instead of this, I'll do height equals to, so its height is 12 because it's the 20 from the Y plus the 12 that's missing from there, right? Yeah. So 12, and here the height equals to sprite. So the object with object. Okay, so object sprite. Come on. Sprite height. And the same here. Let's try. So height with okay, let's try. So I assume it's Bombi Boy. Greetings from Russia. Greetings from Portugal, man. What's up with you? I'm developing here. What are you doing, man? Okay, so this isn't... No, it doesn't collide at all. So top will be -10. Exactly, and then the whole thing. Okay, cool. Cool. I still can't move it, but it looks better. The collision here, cool. So the collision works, but the totems still don't. move. Why not? The player, it's centered there. What the hell? So this season that's good to hear. Should go work on your game. I hope my stream it's a good background noise for you. And also don't forget to hit the follow button, that helps even more. So, okay, this wasn't the problem. Still works, so I'm okay with it. I got already more here. Mm-hmm. Three more followers today. That's good, that's great. It's better than nothing. That's what I like to think. So with the object, I'll get the Y. Let me go back to go back here and just use like 4 of these and 3 of those. Let's see if they are the right ones, because I don't get what's happening. Should be working. Okay, now I got those. It can move. Now let me remove. Put also these ones. Those are the second ones, and remove the box from the middle, because the box will appear afterwards. Okay. Not here. Oh gosh, come on. It's supposed to be open, and I want to go to the room and remove the box. Okay, cool. So go. Expected symbol, what the? Okay, it's the other way around. It's cool. Done. Okay, so now I have those in there, and this doesn't go up, doesn't go down, doesn't go anywhere. This one goes, yeah, this one. It's probably tracking already the button, but the button looks, yeah, it doesn't look pressed, so why? Okay, let's check. That's what I want to check. What? It's an ox. Oh, okay. Shouldn't be there. Okay, now I got it. Okay, cool. Let me log. See. Totem. Problem, this is the problem. Can move, can't move. It only should change the totem after he executes the puzzle. Let's see. That's probably it. Let's see. Yeah, now I can move it, but it will continue, right? Yeah, it will continue. So yeah, I can't do this. Well, I need to... I'll need to... Welcome, Lynn Garden. Glad you like the game, man. And since you're new here, at least I never saw your nick before in the chat. If you have any question, feel free to ask. And welcome to my stream. I need... to change it here. For if collision still with the object. So how do I check if an instance is a type? Let's find out. Let's Google it. Looks interesting. Keep it up, love. Thanks. That's really good to know. So GameMaker, check if instance is type is object. Exist, object exists, instance place meaning is certain object. That's what I need to know. Let's see what Reddit says. Append the object index after the variable it's so yeah, the by ID that I can do like by type here, like var type equals no one or nothing, type equals totem, with player by default, so player, then player and totems. So if type equals totem object movable equals to false. Okay, let's try. Okay, so it is here and I can, oh yeah, so the movable is too soon. So it has to be at the end. Okay, let's see, can move. Let's see. I had one variable for that, but I can't remember which one was it. Oh yeah, let's see, it can move. So it can move first, but not afterwards. But this one can't move at all now. And the button looks pressed. Okay, let's change the can move then. For now. Well, Lynn got it. If you like the game and would like to support, you can hit that follow button, and that would be awesome. And that helps a bit. I can't see, but I think it's already pressed. Let's see if, yeah, it looks pressed. Okay, cool. That's my problem now. So let's go back to the height thing. Oh, one before that. Come on. Okay. So yeah, no, this can copy. I can roll back. Oh, I did that already. Okay. So far, type equals to player. Type equals to totem. And here, let's do this. Okay, cool. Let's see how it goes. Button it is pressed already. This one too. So yeah, the other one was better. Oh, I can't roll back to what I was. Far heights equals 0. Height equals 12. Yeah, that was it. Height equals to object sprite height. Okay, cool. Now so height minus 10 and height. Let's do height minus 5. And that would give like less margin, right? It still looks like it's pressed, but this one doesn't. What the hell? I still can't move it. What? The button isn't. Oh, it is pressed. It looks like pressed. Let's do 15 then. That's probably it. A trial and error. Looks pressed. Oh, what I did. What did I do wrong? So let's think about this. I'll get the object, so I get the Y. So the top. The problem is the height I'm giving. Yeah. Should be 20. So since it's 12, should be 8. It will give me the edge of it. Okay, let's try. Since the totem is offset, that's the problem. Let's see. Yeah, the button look. No, this. Yeah, doesn't. This one looks pressed. This one doesn't look pressed. Now I can press the button wherever I am. Here. Bottom should be, let's do 6 then. It can be already. Oh, now I understand what's the problem. If I move this, no. What? Oh, the button looks pressed. Yeah, okay. It goes away. Yeah, you're probably right. I should be using X. Yeah. Probably. You're probably true. That's why everything, yeah. Thanks, Jackly Gamer. Again. Yeah, probably I'll have to, let's try. Just all of those, yeah. Physics, position X. Probably... Kinda low, what? My audio or what? Quiet, yeah. I was thinking about what I'm doing, so that's why I'll have to rubber duck more in louder. Well, the audio is like what I have. Probably my mic doesn't go higher than that, so. Okay, this works, still works. Still can move, so it isn't that problem. I can press 2 buttons at the same time. Almost. And second player it's not working. Oh gosh, what's happening? Okay. Can I draw something so I can see? Let's check it out, like draw a rectangle or something so I can check what I'm doing. GameMaker, draw rectangle. That's right. Draw a rectangle. An outline, true. Okay, so let's draw this so I can see what's happening. So left, right, and true. to see what's overlaying and overlapping or not. It's not drawing anything. Still can't move. What the hell? Come on. Really? That was my problem all along. Can't believe this shit. Okay. Yeah, I can move. This one still can't move. Can move this one. I can move it this way. This way. Right. Now it stops. This motherfucker then. Okay, so it's top, left, bottom right, so no, it's on the fly, it's just for testing. I wanted to see if something's happening with the buttons behind them. That's why I'm doing that. But yeah, it's not drawing anything. Let's go back to the X, Y. I don't know if is this or see if it works better now, and it works better. This fucker. Yeah, they work well. These ones move okay. What's happening with that one? Okay, now I can't move that one. Okay, now it seems the draw rack doesn't draw set color. I need the color, okay. Is that it? Let's see. It doesn't draw anything. Thanks for the help, GameMaker. Okay, comes from the left as well. This comes from the bottom. Yeah, it touches there. It's 32 the same, so do I still do? They don't, so -10. Still doesn't draw anything, so gosh, what? Like 25, I don't care. I'm just trying to stick stuff here. Okay. No, it's not what I wanted. Can't move already, so 25 is too much. Let's do 28. 28. Okay. No. Works for the player, doesn't work for the totem, because I have I don't know many. I wanted to test. I'm probably testing this part and not that part. See if I do. Problem is that the totem is offset. I don't know how many. Yeah, should probably be doing changing with the offset. So sprite, right. -10 minus offset. So now what I had before minus offset. The offset here is 10. Let's do 8. Can't move that one. If I do 6. Okay. It doesn't. Oh, it does. Okay, 6 works. I can do magic. Okay, I need to check that. Okay, cool. Cool. I can remove this part. This. I can. Comment this. And at least see what happens. Okay, they look. Let me see if it works. It doesn't move, but. 1, these move? Some move, some don't. And everything doesn't move. Oh gosh. Let's work with this. Work with 5. Okay. They all look yeah. It can't move and doesn't collide. That one collides, this one doesn't collide. Why? Let me get more opacity. Okay. Yeah. Those look pressed. Those don't. These move and collect. These don't. I can't move these ones. Gosh. Thing is, I'm getting it above ads. So let's rubber duck a bit. When I get the X position, I get this position plus the height minus 10 minus something. So the offset should be more plus 10. Why the hell? Okay, that one connects. What? Still can't. Okay, I'll have to review this later. It's pretty late for me already. I didn't want to finish a stream with this not working, but sometimes this happens. Plus offsets. It's a top variable, it's 12 probably. Let's see how it goes. Can you move that one? I don't know, I'll have to review this part. Otherwise... That's probably checking too many stuff. That's probably it. Yeah, I'll have to do like a variable for checking stuff like collision. And here, this is for the button. Where's the button? Not this. The button. So let's create a colliding equals to false. So here, just let's check. If active. Okay, if object and not colliding. It will do the colliding to true and probably here. This is the button, this is the collision. So colliding equals to false. Let's see how it goes. Let's test it out. Looks better. But now it's not colliding with it. I can't collide anymore with it. Collision equals to false, okay. That's the problem. Okay, so all buttons up. It seems I can't collide with it. Not. False. What I want to do is Probably. For now, this is wrong. Won't check if collides with anything. Okay, so if colliding, it's equals to false. Just test, and then with the object colliding is true. This goes up. This is with the object. Okay, that's the problem. So do this and colliding equals to false. Okay, let's see if it works. Yeah, no. Okay, so the button does look pressed, but why the hell? Well, yeah, I'll have to review this later. I'll think that will be it. It's not much, unfortunately. Thank you for stopping by. This was the stream of the day, or this was what I could achieve today. A bunch of opaque totems that collide with the buttons when I don't want it to collide. So yeah, I'll have to review this later, and that's it. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to follow if you want to get in touch with me. You have my social networks, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr on description. Feel free to talk with me and ask any questions that you have about the game. Once again, thank you all for stopping by, and see you next Friday.